Good morning. Let us move to one more article, a small article. Barkhausen condition or Barkhausen criteria. Barkhausen criterion or Barkhausen condition. Barkhausen criterion or Barkhausen condition. Let me make one more definition of sinusoidal oscillator. The positive feedback amplifier or the amplifier with infinite voltage gain is known as an oscillator. An amplifier with infinite voltage gain is known as an oscillator. The equation for voltage gain of an amplifier may be written as AF is equal to A divided by 1 minus AVMV equation number 1. I have made one more definition for the sinusoidal oscillator. An amplifier with infinite voltage gain is known as an oscillator. I have written one equation for it. AF voltage gain of the amplifier with positive feedback, AV voltage gain of the amplifier without any feedback, MV the feedback factor. We know that MV into AV, if it is equal to 1, this condition is known as Barkhausen condition or Barkhausen criteria. If Barkhausen criteria is satisfied in this equation, this AVMV will be 1, 1 minus 1 0, denominator will be 0, and we will have AF is equal to infinity. Whenever AVMV is equal to 1, 1 minus 1 will be 0, AV by 0 is infinity, anything by 0 is infinity. And so AF voltage gain with positive feedback of the amplifier is infinity, and this amplifier can work as an oscillator. Now, what is physical meaning of infinite voltage gain? What is physical meaning of infinite voltage gain? What is general definition for voltage gain? General definition for voltage gain is AV is equal to VO divided by VI. General definition of voltage gain is AV is equal to VO divided by VI. Voltage gain of an amplifier is defined as ratio of output voltage to input voltage. AF is infinity. What does this mean? This VI should be 0. When VI is 0, output voltage is not 0. It is a finite voltage VO. When VI is 0, output voltage VO is not 0. It is finite voltage VO. In that case only, the voltage gain of the amplifier will be infinity. So physical meaning of infinite voltage gain is that without applying any input AC voltage to the amplifier, the positive feedback amplifier, it generates a sinusoidal oscillation. What is meaning of infinite voltage gain? What is physical meaning of infinite voltage gain? Physical meaning of infinite voltage gain is the positive feedback amplifier generates sinusoidal oscillations at the output with 0 input AC voltage. Such amplifier, such positive feedback amplifier is said to have infinite voltage gain. This is actual meaning. This is physical meaning of AF is equal to infinity. In practice, it is not possible to have infinite voltage gain. What is meaning of infinite voltage gain? The positive feedback amplifier generates finite sinusoidal AC output when input AC applied is 0. This is actual meaning or physical meaning of infinite voltage gain of a positive feedback amplifier. And this is possible only when AV into MV is equal to 1. This condition, this criteria is known as Barkhausen criteria or Barkhausen condition. If this condition is met, then only AF will be equal to infinity and the positive feedback amplifier can generate sustained sinusoidal oscillations of desired frequency. Let me represent this thing graphically. You, for simplicity, remember here AV into MV is equal to 1 is known as Barkhausen criteria, is known as Barkhausen condition. It is essential condition for production of sustained sinusoidal oscillations by a positive feedback amplifier. A positive feedback amplifier can generate the oscillations if and only if this condition is met. If this condition is not met, that circuit could not work as an oscillator. It will not be capable of generating the sinusoidal oscillations, and therefore this condition is very essential and important condition for any positive feedback amplifier to work as an oscillator. Let me represent this thing graphically. To represent this thing graphically, let me consider here A of gain 100, which is amplifier. This is amplifier. With voltage gain, let me write AV is equal to 100. It produces sinusoidal oscillations, sustained sinusoidal oscillations. This is output. What is input? There is no input. Input is 0. Input AC is always 0. Let us suppose that here we have feedback network. Or feedback circuit which has feedback factor MV is equal to 0.01. What we need, AV into MV is equal to 1. If this is satisfied, then only this circuit can work as an oscillator. What is AV? AV into MV is equal to, what is AV here? 100 into, what is MV here? 0.01. It is nothing but 10 to the power 2 into this is 10 to the power minus 2, that is equal to 1. So if voltage gain of this amplifier is 100, feedback factor must be equal to 1 divided by 100. 1 divided by 100 here will be 0.01. So that product of AV and MV will be equal to 1. The Barkasian condition is met. The Barkasian condition is satisfied. And when the Barkasian condition is satisfied, the feedback applied by this feedback factor to the input of the amplifier will be in phase with the input. It will provide the positive feedback. Required positive feedback is provided by this feedback network to this amplifier so that it can generate the sustained sinusoidal oscillations of desired frequency. This is true for every cycle. AV into MV is equal to 1 is true for every cycle. If we consider amplitude of this is 100 volt. This voltage takes only 1 volt from this and gives as feedback. It will get amplified because gain of this is 100. Again 100 volt is generated. It is true for positive as well as negative half cycle. Every time amplitude of this output voltage will be 100 volt and 0.01 of 100 is taken, that is equal to 1 volt. Only 1 volt is taken by this feedback network, this feedback circuit from the output and given to the input of the amplifier. Amplifier amplifies this 1 volt to 100 volt. This is continued for all cycles of output. And therefore, this circuit can continuously generate sustained sinusoidal oscillations, undamped sinusoidal oscillations. The sinusoidal oscillations which have constant amplitude and constant frequency. The sinusoidal oscillations which have constant amplitude and constant frequency will be continuously generated by this circuit continuously as long as DC power is provided to this circuit. And this is possible because of the Barkasian criteria, because of the Barkasian condition. And therefore, whenever we want any positive feedback amplifier to work as an oscillator, Barkasian condition is must. It is a very essential and important condition. As long as this condition is satisfied by this circuit, the circuit will work as an oscillator. If this condition is not met, the circuit will not work as an oscillator. Strictly speaking, MV/AV is slightly greater than 1 at the starting of oscillations. As soon as we switch on the oscillator circuit, at the starting of the oscillations, at the beginning of the oscillations, this AV/MV is slightly greater than 1, and after some time it will become equal to 1, and the sustained sinusoidal oscillations of constant amplitude and constant frequency will be generated by this positive feedback amplifier, which satisfies the Barkhausen condition, the Barkhausen criteria. So this is about the Barkhausen condition or Barkhausen criteria. And I think now only 4 articles are left from our syllabus. Hartley oscillator, Colpitts oscillator, RC network and phase shift oscillator. We shall study these one by one in successive lectures. Hope you got it. Thank you.